Hello, boys and girls of Rockland. It is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Very excited to be with you here again today for our third game of 10 frame flash. All right, so if you are a student at Memorial Park, raise your hand. Big shout out to you. If you're at Jefferson Elementary, raise your hand. Big shout out to you. If you're at Eston Elementary, raise your hand. Big shout out to you. All right, here we go. So last time we were together doing this game, we did a problem that looked a lot like this. In fact, it was this. Okay, so we had 34, which means we had 3 10s, 10, 20, 30, with 4 1s left over. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. We are learning that this digit tells you how many 10s you have, which means the whole 10 frame is filled up with dots. And if it's all the way filled up with dots, that means there's 10 in each 10 frame. That's why it's called a 10 frame. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to flash up a 10 frame, some 10 frames. I'm going to only give you 2 seconds, remember? Okay, and you're going to look at it and think in your head, how many dots do I think there are? Okay. Mark, get set. Drum roll, please. Go. 1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. All right, all done. What do you think? So, think in your head, how many 10s did you see? Which means the whole 10 frame was filled up with dots. How many of those did you see? And how many 1s were left over? If you said there were 3 10s, you are correct. And if you said there was 1 1, you are also correct. If you did not get that, that's okay. Remember, if you are doing your best and learning from your mistakes, your brain is growing the most. So congratulations. So we have 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, with 1 left over. So we have 3 10s, 10, 20, 30, 31. Excellent job. Let's try another one. Here we go. Very exciting. Very exciting. Okay. Mark it set. Drum roll, please. Go. 1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. All right, time's up. How many 10s did you see? And how many 1s did you see? So think about that. If you saw 3 10s, and you saw 3 1s, you are correct. If you did not see that, that's okay, because your brain is growing as long as you're doing your best and you are learning right now. So if you take a look, there are again 3 10s, 10, 20, 30, which makes 30. Sorry, my fingers are in the way. Okay, and then we have 3 left over because it doesn't fill up the 10 frame. So 31, 32, 33. 30 plus 3 more gives you 33. Awesome possum. Let's do another one. Moving right along. Okay, here we go. Ready? Drum roll, please. Go. 1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. All right. How do we do? How do we do? Let's take a look. How many 10s did you see? How many 10s and how many 1s gives you how many dots? If you said you saw 35 dots, you are correct. If you did not see 35 dots, but you tried, and you're going to listen right now to see what happened, your brain's growing, so congratulations. So let's take a look. We have 3 10s. Again, we have 3 10s, 10, 20, 30. And we have 1 10 frame that's not filled up, so we have 5 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you put together 3 10s and 5 1s, you get the number 35. All right, awesome possum. All right, let's do a couple more. All right, a little bit more challenging this time. Ready? All right, get set. Drum roll, please. Don't forget about the drum roll. Go. 1 Mississippi. 2 Mississippi. All right, a little bit harder this time. How many dots do you think you saw? If you think you saw 3 10s, you are correct. If you think you saw 8 1s, you are not correct. Ha, tricked you. Actually, there were 6 1s. 6 1s. So we have 30. We have 30 because we have 3 10s, right? We have 10, 20, 30, plus 6 more 1s. We know it's 6 because we can count. We can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or you could think, we know this column has 5, and that's 1 more. So 35, 36. All right, everyone see that? Whoop, peekaboo. Okay, so everyone see that? 36. All right, we got a few more, and then we're done. Okay, this is going to be the most challenging one of all. Drum roll, please. Go. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. All right, what do we get? What do we get? There are in fact, again, 3 10s, which gives you 30. I'm trying to make that 30. Now, how many 1s did you see? It was the 5 column was filled up, and then how many more were there? Did you get 8? If you got 8, you're correct. If you did not get 8, and you are doing your best, your brain is growing a lot. So congratulations. All right, so here we go. We have, again, 10, 20, 30, 3 10s, and we have 8 1s. We know this is 5, and we have 6, 7, 8. That is 38. We have 30 down here. Oh, I didn't write that down. We have 30 down here, plus 8 more 1s gives us 38. Okay, we got 2 more. Check this one out. Look at it carefully. Mark it set. Drum roll, please. Go. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. All right, this one's a little bit different. How many 10 frames did you see? You can pause the video if you want and think about it. How many 10 frames? I'm going to show it to you one more time real quick. Go. Okay, how many 10 frames? I saw 4 10 frames. Did you see 4 10 frames? I saw 4 10 frames. Now, are there 4 dots? No, there's not 4 dots. There's more than that. How many dots are there? Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40. So we need to record how many 1s are left over. Are there any 1s? Nope. So we're going to say 0. So our number is going to be 40, 40. So that number would look like this. If I put it together, you have the number 40. There we go. 4 10s and 0 1s. All right, excuse me, losing my voice. Last one for today, because I'm so excited about this, I'm just totally into it. All right, here we go. Drum roll, please. Go. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. All right, how do we do? How do we do? What do we got? This time, did you see 3 10 frames again? That's what I saw. I saw 3 10 frames. And how many 1s did you see left over? There were a lot. It was almost another 10, but it wasn't quite, right? If you said 9 1s, you're correct. So we have our 3 10s, 10, 20, 30. Now over here, you could think, all right, well, I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 and 4 makes 9. Or you could also think of it as, I almost have a 10 frame. There's only 1 missing, right? There's only 1 missing. So you know you're just 1 away. If there was a dot there, that would be 40. But since it's not there, it's 1 less than 40. 1 less than 40 is, you said it, 39. So we have 30 dots in the 3 10s plus the 9 1s gives us 39. And there we are, boys and girls. Excellent job. So next time we play this game, I'm going to mix them all up. There might be some that are small, some that are big. It's going to be very exciting and very fun. Have a great day. Remember, be safe and be kind, especially to your family. All right? Take care. We miss you. I know you miss your friends and your teachers. We're all in the same boat. So let's take care of each other, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.